How to fix WhatsApp no longer in iPhone Sharesheet after iOS 14.4. If WhatsApp is missing from your iPhone Sharesheet after updating, so here is how to bring it back. First of all you have to do is simply scroll and look for the App Store in your iPhone and tap on it. Now, in the search address bar, type down WhatsApp and hit enter. Then tap on the WhatsApp, and if there is any update option available right next to it, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Now, once the WhatsApp has been updated, all you have to do is go back to the home screen and here tap on the settings. Once inside settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available in there. Now, once inside the general, tap on the software update, and if you see a latest update option available there, simply update it to the latest version. Now you can see update now option available there, update it. Once updated, all you have to do is go back to the home screen again. There long press on the WhatsApp, then tap on the delete app and delete the WhatsApp and reinstall from App Store and log back in and test the Sharesheet. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.